Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. The 17th video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is the head and shoulders formations and how to identify them. Before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel, so do not forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. The head and shoulders pattern is a technical formation with a chart pattern of 3 peaks where the outer two are close in height and the middle is the highest. It is a chart formation that predicts bullish to bearish trend reversal. The head and shoulders pattern occurs within an area of consolidation after a bullish or bearish trend. The formation starts with the price rising and then pulling back, forming the left shoulder, then increasing again and creating a higher peak known as the peak of the head, and then rallies into a lower point, forming the right shoulder. The price drops following the left shoulder and the head are called swing lows, and these tops are called swing highs. Connecting the swing lows with a trend line extended off to the right forms a neckline. When the price falls below the neckline, the pattern is considered complete and the price is likely to continue moving lower. And just like any other pattern, it has a bearish and bullish version. The opposite of the head and shoulders is called the inverse head and shoulders, and it is to predict reversals in downtrends. Ideally, when the price touches the neckline on the right, then the continuation of that point might be the beginning of a bullish trend. However, the head and shoulders patterns doesn't always occur as this smooth that I have drawn on the screen, so sometimes it can be hard to identify it. In those cases, we need to look at the swing high and swing low points regarding how close they are to each other. Now let's reset our chart and search for the head and shoulders formations. We have one reverse head and shoulders pattern in here, and not perfect because of this part, but we have a head and shoulders pattern in this area as well. You can draw the head and shoulders pattern from the patterns toolbar at the left side. As you can see, we have lots of patterns in here and we have the head and shoulders right there. Let's form our left shoulder. It's our left shoulder, our head, and our right shoulder right here. Also, we have our left shoulder here, our head, and our right shoulder. The head and shoulders pattern is favored among traders because of its unique ability to help them determine price target estimations once the pattern has completed itself and the neckline has crossed. It also makes it easy for traders to place stop loss orders. Your stop loss level should be somewhere slightly higher than the right shoulder, but we need to measure the distance from the top of the head to the neckline to estimate how much increase or decrease will occur after the price passes the neckline, and then subtract that distance from the neckline in the opposite direction, starting in the spot where prices first crossed the neckline after the pattern has formed its second shoulder. So if we put a trend line in here till this point, and another one in here till this point, and if we subtract that height from the crossing point of the neckline, then we can predict this much of an increase or decrease in the price in the future. As you can see, in most cases, just like many other patterns and indicators, the head and shoulders pattern is a very efficient tool to estimate the future price movements in the market. And that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.